Hey, welcome to our introductory video. My name is Brian and this is Iron Horse Hobbies SMK. And the SMK is what we're all about, everybody. Scale model kits. What we do here at Iron Horse Hobbies is we produce scale model kits for model railroad layouts and dioramas. We typically work in Z, N, and HO scale, but we can do some custom stuff. If you want to reach out to us and send us a message, we can see if we can help you out. And so what we're going to be primarily focused on this channel is videos on Tinkercad design, Cura Slicing and Ender 3 print. Once the model gets to the assembly process, we move those videos over to our other channel, the Iron Horse D&RGW. That's the channel that documents the development and progression of our N-scale model railroad layout that you're looking at right now. If the progress and development, seeing trains running and those kind of things are something that interests you, we hope you'll step over to the Iron Horse D&RGW, subscribe and click the bell icon so you're alerted to future uploads, and we hope to connect with you there as well. This is Brian with Iron Horse Hobbies coming to you from the Iron Horse Route, thanking you for watching our video today, thanking you for taking the time to watch our content, thanking you for subscribing.